As we all know, AI is rapidly advancing and has already replaced many jobs. But there are still some professions that require human touch that AI cannot replace. In today's video, we're going to discuss this top 9 job professions that are immune to AI takeover. The 10th is for you. Let me know in the comments what profession do you think is not going to be replaced by AI in the near future. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Chefs. Cooking is an art form, and while AI can assist with recipe creation and meal planning, it cannot replace the creativity and intuition required for creating new and innovative dishes. Thanks to AI, chefs may have more time to focus on creating new dishes, while AI takes care of the more routine aspects of cooking. The rise of AI technology has enabled chefs to experiment with new cooking techniques and ingredients. For example, some chefs are using AI-powered tools to develop plant-based meat alternatives that mimic the texture and taste of real meat. This innovation has allowed chefs to cater to the growing demand for plant-based food options while also expanding their culinary skills. Number 2. Environmental scientists. Environmental science is a highly interdisciplinary field that requires a human touch. Environmental scientists need to understand the complexities of the natural world and make decisions based on ethical considerations, which AI cannot replicate. Moreover, they work closely with policymakers and communities to develop sustainable solutions, which require a human approach to problem solving. Number 3. Cybersecurity analysis. Cybersecurity analysts are responsible for protecting computer network and systems from cyber threats, such as hacking, malware, and phishing attacks. They use their knowledge of computer systems and networks to identify vulnerabilities and implement security measures to protect against cyber attacks. Although AI can assist in certain aspects of cybersecurity, such as detecting anomalies and automating routine tasks, human expertise and intuition are still necessary to anticipate and counter emerging threats. Number 4. Social media managers. AI can help automate some aspects of social media management, such as scheduling posts, but it cannot replace the creativity and strategic thinking of a social media manager. Social media managers need to understand their target audience and create engaging content that resonates with them. They also need to monitor and respond to social media engagement, which requires human empathy and communication skills. Number 5. Robotics engineers. Robotics engineers are in charge of designing and developing robots that can perform a variety of tasks in different environments. They work in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and military, to develop robots that can automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. Although AI has the potential to assist in certain aspects of robotics engineering, such as machine learning and computer vision, the human element is still critical in designing and developing robots that are safe, efficient, and reliable. Number 6. Video game designers. AI can help in developing some aspects of video games, such as procedural generation of environments, but it cannot replace the creative input of a video game designer. Video game designers need to develop engaging storylines. Game designers also need to develop engaging characters and game mechanics that can captivate players. They also need to test the game to ensure it is enjoyable, which also requires human intuition and judgment. Number 7. Financial advisors. Financial advisors manage the function of providing financial advice and investment strategies to clients to help them achieve their financial goals. They assess clients' financial situations, develop investment plans, and provide guidance on retirement planning, estate planning, and risk management. Despite the help of AI in data analysis and investment strategies, the human element is still critical in building trust with clients, understanding their unique circumstances, and providing personalized advice. Number 8. Event planners. While AI can assist in event planning logistics, event planners possess specialized skills in creativity, communication, and problem solving that are necessary to create memorable events. Event planners need to understand their clients' goals and preferences, and coordinate with vendors to create a cohesive event. They also need to be able to adapt to unexpected changes and make quick decisions, which requires human intuition and judgment. Number 9. Physical therapists. Physical therapists are responsible for helping patients with physical disabilities or injuries to regain their mobility and strength through exercise, stretching, and other techniques. They work in various settings, including hospitals, clinics, and private practices, to develop treatment plans and monitor progress. While AI can assist with monitoring progress and recommending exercises, physical therapists require human empathy and personalized care to develop individualized treatment plans that take into account of a patient's unique needs and goals. Each of these professions requires a unique set of skills and expertise that are difficult to automate. While AI is rapidly advancing and has already replaced many jobs, there is still a lot of professions that require human touch, empathy, creativity, and critical thinking that AI cannot replace. Let us know in the comments if you think we missed any job professions that should have made the list. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. See you next time!